Hi guys, this is HP LaserJet Pro M28w. Today let's connect this printer to your Windows PC. Subscribe to Signal Guru and let's go. First, make sure your printer is ready to work. I mean, the power indicator is on and the Wi-Fi indicator is blinking blue. If not, just press the Wi-Fi button once. And it doesn't matter whether LCD display is on or not, because only the indicators show that printer is ready to work. Now you can continue on your PC, and what you need to do is go to Start menu, open the Microsoft Store and install the application called HP Smart. This one, so let's install the app. Once installed, open the application and let's follow the steps to set up your printer. So now accept the terms and conditions. And click on Set up a new printer. You can sign in later. You need to allow to access precise location because this is necessary permission to set up the printer. If nothing happens too long, try to press Wi-Fi button on the printer one more time. No printers found. Check these items to help find your printer. Make sure your printer is plugged in and powered on. It's done. If printer is already connected to a network, make sure your computer is on the same network as printer. So let's press the Wi-Fi button on the printer again and search again. Now the printer is found. Let's click on Setup. Time to connect, set up and manage your printer. Continue. Connecting printer to Wi-Fi. By the way, instead of connecting to Wi-Fi, you can use USB cable to connect your printer, but let's connect it to a global network to use from any device in your house. So now we need to enter password from our home network. Hit continue. Now the printer is connected to my home network. Click continue. What's next? Now you need to accept or decline something. Manage options, optional data. So you can read these, and if you need decline optional data, I'm going just to accept all. And enable auto update of the printer software. Apply. Let's close the antivirus. So now we can send installation link to another devices, but so far let's just skip. Now the print drivers are installed and you can print a test page. Let's print it. So here you can make your adjustments, orientation, paper size, and so on, and just click on print. It's doing something, it's printing. Now we have this beautiful page and we are all set. We've just connected new printer to our Windows system, and now let's see what's in this application. And in the application, here you can control your ink level. You can click this arrow and set up new printer. As well, you can print documents and photos, scan documents. By the way, to print documents, you need to sign in to your HP account first. If you don't have, create one. It's just super simple. Email, password, and that's it. Now, sign in. Let me sign in. It takes me to web browser. Email, use password, sign in. Now open HP Smart. In just a moment. This is the message about supported document file types. Don't show again. Let's cancel so far, so let's click on this again. Well, now I can control my documents from this application, and also you can control your printing from Explorer. Just open your file system, go to, let's say, Downloads folder or any folder where you have files you wish to print. Right click, more options, print, and we are in the printing window now. That's pretty it, guys. I hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and be awesome. Bye.